Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So let's apply, rigid transformations, shifts to absolute function, which is f of x to be absolute of x. If you're adding something to this absolute of x, then it will be moved upward. And if you are subtracting something from it, then it will be moved downward. So that's not a big deal. This is the parent function. Let me draw. This is the parent function. For this, you need to go 2 units up, 1, 2. So this will be here. For this, you need to come to, so this is basically absolute of x plus 2. In order to plot this, you need to come 1 unit down. So here. So that's how, vertical upward and downward shift looks like. Similarly, if you're being asked about left and right shift, let's say j of x equal to absolute of x minus 2, so this will be shifted 2 units to the right. And let's say we are given with another function which is k of x, and that is absolute of x plus, let's say, 4. That means you will be shifting your graph of absolute function 4 units to the left. First of all, let's see our parent function, which is this, which looks like this. Then now we will plot this absolute of x minus 2. So absolute of x minus 2 means you need to shift this function 2 units to the right, 1, 2. So this will look like this somehow. Okay, and in order to plot this k of x, so you need to shift your parent function 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So this will be here, this way. So that is absolute of x plus 4, and this one is basically absolute of x minus 2. So that's how vertical and horizontal shifts look like. And then we have reflection. So absolute of x multiplied with minus, this is shift along x-axis, and along y-axis, if you consider, then because this is equal to absolute of x, so along y-axis, if you are shifting your graph, no change will occur because it's symmetric about y-axis. So you just need to consider this shift. So you just need to plot this function y equal to minus absolute of x. So this is my parent function. This is parent function. So when I shift this along x-axis, so this line will be here and this line will be here. So that's basically, this one is the graph of minus absolute of x. Now if you are asked to plot this function h of x equal to minus absolute of x plus 2 minus 3, then what you are going to do is, first you can consider your parent function, which is absolute of x, this one. Then you reflect this, it will go like this, and then you shift 2 units to the left, 1, 2 here, and then you need to take it 3 units down, 1, 2, 3 here. So this will be sketched like this. This is my y-axis, so this will be sketched here. So, and you can say that this vertex will be moved here, minus 2 comma minus 3. Similarly, if you are asked to plot this h of x equal to minus absolute of x minus 1 plus 4, so first you will shift the graph, so like this, and then you will be moving it 1 units to the right and then 4 units up, 1, 2 3 4. So this will be displayed like this. Now you can use Desmos as well. There you will write f of x equal to absolute of x. This will give you this graph, and then you apply minus absolute of x into Desmos. It will be reflecting it, and then you will do minus absolute of x minus 1. It will move it 1 units, and then you will add 4. It will move it 4 units upwards. Thank you.